Your Honor, there was a second charge sheet that has just been brought to our attention. The one that now involves Ms. Takibe.
Let's see the file. This is the file that we were dealing with, the one that we are dealing with, and the current file. Yes, the one we are handling is 836 of 2024 for Jim Wanjigi and David Chibe.
Yes, sir.
It's the one that we are handling at the moment.
Yes. It goes together with the number of the other one.
There is one which we've not read,
Yes.
837.
That's where the firearm certificates are. So I just felt that I bring out the issues so that, because they are all related.
What did you want us to do?
I just want to raise Your Honor because we can use the same proceedings.
We can use the same. You'd want to adopt the proceedings in the
Yes,
other matter.
yes. And I was going to only urge Your Honor that in this particular one, this is where Justice Bahati's orders emanate. And this file and the charges therein are the subject of proceedings in petition E396 of 2024.
It is the subject of proceedings.
In E396 of 2024. And amongst the issues raised in that petition is what, in my short, I came to experience firsthand. I used to watch it in movies. Raiding of a home by over 500 police officers. Majority of them wearing balaclavas and carrying assault rifles, high caliber assault rifles. And a comprehensive search of the entire compound and every single room in the home conducted by the police in the presence of family, in the presence of lawyers. That comprehensive search runs from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning.
A search from what time?
7 p.m. on the 8th of August to 5 a.m. in the morning on the 9th of August. And the only items discovered and confiscated by the police, which is inventorized and signed by all the parties, are the following: iPhones belonging to Jim Wanjigi's family members, wife, children, mother. iPads, 3 flags, lapels, a fuel receipt for Total Energies Muthaiga. Those are the items that were deemed to be of interest to the state only. Then at 6 a.m. after that search is concluded, inventorized, recorded, and closed, the home closed. Another set of over 200 armed men wearing balaclavas turn into robbers and break into the home. And all that this group does, they rob the workers, the staff of the home. They rob the grieving widow, Jimmy's mother, of money in her wallet. She's forced to open her wallet. They steal a watch. They rob Jimmy's children. They steal household effects. But if that is not enough, poor Willis Otieno, his lawyer, my motor vehicle KCL 341F is equally targeted, and they steal my wallet. As I stand here, I only thank technology to prove that I'm an advocate. Amongst the items stolen is my LSK membership card, my debit cards, US dollars, and Kenya shillings in 1,000 notes and in 100 notes. US dollars in 100 notes denominations. What did I do? Just to be a lawyer for Jimmy Wanjigi's family. But today we are told that group of robbers purportedly discovered explosives in Jimmy's home after doing the robbery. And they want to present a charge. That is the subject of E396 of 2014 petition before the High Court. No inventory, no presence of family members, no lawyers, as they are done for over 10 hours. And as they are doing all of this, they don't have any order. No order. No order at all. No search warrant that they present to be there. That's why I refer to them as a bunch of robbers. All they did was to rob, and to cover their theft, they want to present a charge here before court. In disobedience of the court orders that told them not even to arrest, not even to detain. It's the mythical story of a thief who runs on the streets and starts shouting, "Thief, thief, thief," to send you the wrong way. These are questions that are alive and active in petition 396. Compelling reason to defer plea. Let's deal with that question in that petition. And Justice Bahati saw it fit and reasonable when he looked at the substance and he said, don't arrest Mr. Wanjigi. I want to look at these things. When the petition comes for hearing, they are parties, all of them. They can tell their story before that court. The final point, Your Honor, is even when you will retire to consider these submissions, there is this live question that is before you. Orders issued by Justice Bahati saying Mr. Jimmy Wanjigi should not be arrested. And if he is arrested, he should be released forthwith. He is before you as an arrestee being held by Mr. Sang, a contemner. He was held overnight at Kamukunji police station. and he was held incommunicado with no access to his lawyers. This court should assert, even as it considers this submission, that Mr. Wanjigi is a free man by that order. And for us to submit to the authority of the courts, we must all accept that Mr. Jimmy Wanjigi is a free man. He cannot be arrested or detained by the state until Justice Bahati or another judge says so. So we respect that as a bare minimum. He should not be here as an arrestee of Mr. Sang, a contemner, who has not purged this act of contempt. And nobody is challenging Justice Bahati's orders. I'm only asking the court to say it to their hearing. The orders already exist. We are not even asking for any fresh orders in that regard. Just tell them, for those who are slow of hearing, let them hear it, that the High Court order applies to them. And they have their lawyer, the prosecutor in court. Can tell them, please respect these orders if you want audience and participation in this proceeding. Madam Asha wanted to.